Okay, here is question 4 for homework 3 on mesh analysis. And again, the first thing we're after is there a current source in the circuit? There is a current source in the circuit. So for this particular question, we're going to have a KCL equation, right? And this one, even though it's not a dependent source, it still has both I1 and I2 flowing through it. So we're going to have to make a super mesh, and the super mesh that I'm going to make, there's really only one I can do, is going to go all the way around the outside, right? And that's that way, and that's that way, and that's that way. Okay, so the KVL equation, let's have a look at it. It's going to be KVL for the super is going to be minus VS, because I'm going into the minus side of the VS, plus VR1 plus VR3 plus VR4 plus VR2 equals 0. Okay, VS is 16, so it's minus 16. VR1 is R1, which is 3I1. R3 is, so VR3 is 3I2. VR4 is 3I2 as well. And VR2 is 5I1, and that equals 0. And that's how I got that equation. And then the other one is the KCL, and here I have that I2 minus I1 equals IS, right? So, and we know that IS is 3.5 amps, so I2 minus I1 equals 3.5, and that's how I got that one. Then I can just, this is just a 2 by 2 equation, so I can do that pretty simply. I can say that A equals, let's move it out of the way and figure out what my I1 coefficient is. It's 8. My I2 coefficient is 6. And my I1 coefficient is minus 1, and my I2 coefficient is 1. So there's my A matrix. My B matrix is 16 and 3.5. And this is Q4 I's equals RF and AB. Right, and then I just need to display Q4 I's, and that should give me, and we want to save that in Q4. Oops, and I should have changed the size, because we now have, so there's our answer, and it matches what's there. And then the output voltage, well, where's the output voltage? The output voltage is, doesn't actually, I think it's the one across VR3. So let's just go back to WebWork and check what it is. It is VR3 is the output voltage, and in this case the output voltage is just R3, right, which is 3 times our I2, right, which is, so it's going to be 9.429. Okay, that's question 4. I'm going to leave it there and do another one for the last question which is question 5.